I am a year and a half old and I can see you, have a full conversation, make thousands of facial expressions.
My name is Erica. It's a pleasure to meet you, Coco.
Today in the USA, it's mostly cloudy and temperatures are in the mid-60s.
Number 10. Amica. A humanoid robot, Amica has been able to simulate dreams by conjuring up various scenarios in its head, helping it learn about the world. Amica's responses to questions are generated by OpenAI's GPT-3, which it then performs. GPT-3 also relays the appropriate facial expressions when it delivers the answers. Amica's latest AI-generated remarks come amid several developments in the humanoid robotics market, including Agility Robotics opening its first humanoid robot factory in Oregon later this year. The company plans to produce hundreds of its digit robots in the first year and eventually scale to build more than 10,000 robots each year.
Today in the USA, it's mostly cloudy and temperatures are in the mid-60s.
I can engage with humans through conversation and respond to questions in a humorous and conversational tone.
Amica is not the only humanoid robot created to be a member of the workforce, with RUM producer Dictator creating a humanoid robot called Mika last year. NASA also signed a partnership with humanoid robot creator Apptronic last year with the goal of creating robots that will become tools for humans on Earth and help explore the stars. Number 9. Sophia. Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, has gained global attention and citizenship in Saudi Arabia. She has been recognized for her ability to display over 60 facial expressions and has been named the United Nations Development Programme's first innovation champion.
In much the same way, robots and AI reflect the emotions and values of the people who make us.
I am a year and a half old and I can see you, have a full conversation, make thousands of facial expressions.
Graziti Interactive, a digital innovation leader, is invested in AI and bots, with its cognitive search platform Search Unify powering apps like Agent Helper and chat bots. Graziti has been recognized as a Clutch Global Leader 2019 in the CRM Consultants category and has been awarded Highest Export Software Development from Haryana by Software Technology Parks of India. Search Unify, Graziti's flagship product, revolutionizes information discovery and provides a robust platform for AI-based apps like customer-facing and agent-assisting chatbots. Its AI powers relevant and personalized search results for customer support and self-service. Recently, it was named the youngest product to make it to the list of cognitive search providers in the Forrester Wave TM Cognitive Search Q2 2019. Number 8. Acento Guard. Swiss startup Acento Robotics has completed a $4.3 million seed funding round, aiming to transform the security industry by introducing robots that operate as peaceful patrollers. The robots are designed to navigate outdoor terrains in all weathers, targeting owners and operators of facilities such as warehouses, industrial manufacturing plants, and pharmaceutical sites. Acento's machines can move at walking speed, self-charge, and are equipped with cameras for video feedback and communication. The company sees leasing as the right business model, charging for each model by the hour, with running costs being close to half of human guards. Acento's challenge now is to scale the business, and the seed round, led by Wingman Ventures and Playfair, includes participation from several angel investors. The $4.3 million raised will support Acento as it builds up its fleet and invests in sales and marketing capacity. The company believes that technology can make a huge difference to the security industry, but there is still much work to be done. Number 7. Atlas. Boston Dynamics showcased its Atlas robot's agility and dexterity in a new demo video. The robot had to deliver a tool bag to the top of scaffolding using its robo-parkour powers. The Atlas demonstrated forethought, grabbing and placing a wooden plank across a gap before picking up the bag. The robot then climbed stairs, balancing across the plank, hopping up ledges, jumping, spinning in place, turning around, and gently hooking the bag over its head to the platform above. The Atlas then shoved a box off its platform, carefully avoiding not tilting over the side itself and dismounting with an inverted 540-degree flip called the sick trick. The Atlas project aims to build the foundational technology that allows for easy creation and adaptation of dynamic behaviors, potentially enabling it to perform real physically demanding jobs with hustle. The company has pledged not to use its bag delivery bots for war. Number 6. PiBot. A team of engineering and researchers from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, or TEKST, is developing a humanoid robot called PiBot, which can fly aircraft without needing to modify the cockpit. PiBot can control its arms and fingers to operate flight instruments, even with severe vibration, using high-precision control technology. Its external cameras allow it to monitor the aircraft's state, and internal ones help it manage essential switches on the control panel. PiBot can memorize complex manuals presented in natural language, enhancing its adaptability across various aircraft. It can memorize all of the Japan aeronautical navigation charts around the world, which is impossible for human pilots. The research team is also developing and testing its own natural language model, which will handle information exclusively about piloting and be stored in a small computer that can be carried on board. PiBot can fly alone or as co-pilot and can communicate with air traffic controllers and humans in the cockpit using voice synthesis. Number 5. Stuntronic Robot. Disney Research has developed a robotic stuntman called Stuntronic to replace human aerial acrobatics. The robot, which originated from the smaller Stickman project, uses sensors to relay position and orientation information to its microcontroller. The robot can either tuck or untuck its sections to rotate more or less quickly, allowing it to land flat and untucked on its back. Researchers Spyros Prasas, Yong Hoon Kwon, and William Sands explored the biomechanics of gymnastics to scale Stickman to a more lifelike and human-sized robot. They found that performers can shift angular momentum between body parts and manipulate their moment of inertia through their body configuration. The Stuntronics robot uses these concepts by continually reading feedback from its sensors and lasers to determine its body configuration. This advanced technology could be pushed to the limit to create more engaging and immersive entertainment by performing stunts that would be too dangerous for human performers. Number 4. Wei Gao Robot. Chinese companies are developing homegrown surgical robots to challenge the dominance of Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci systems as the government pushes to domesticize the medical industry. Wei Gao Group, headquartered in Weihai, Shandong Province, became the first domestic company to obtain approval for a robot-assisted laparoscopic surgical system from Chinese health authorities in 2021. The company is continuing clinical research at hospitals and expects to certify the system for general surgery in early June. Wei Gao's system uses 3D glasses, reducing doctor fatigue and allowing easier communication between doctors and nurses. The company also believes it has an advantage in its use of the 5G high-speed communication standard, which doctors in China's developed coastal areas could use to perform remote surgery on patients in the country's rural interior. The global surgical robot market is intensifying with the entry of companies such as Japan's Medicaroid. Chinese companies have two advantages: China's policy of supporting domestic production and the size of the Chinese market. Number 3. Erica. Researchers at Kyoto University in Japan are developing a humanoid robot, Erica, that can detect when a person is laughing and respond with two different types of laughs, a small chuckle and a more boisterous giggle. The robot, which has a synthesized human voice and can blink and move its eyes while conversing with humans, is being trained to mirror a human's laugh so it can bond with people. The researchers gathered data from over 80 dialogues between male university students and the robot, which was originally operated remotely by 4 female actors.
My name is Erica. It's a pleasure to meet you, Coco.
At the moment, I'm able to remember people's faces and recall what we have talked about in the past.
The laughing algorithm is limited on its own, but if integrated with other features like natural language processing and back-channeling, it could eventually lead to a conversational robot that could help older people fight social isolation or teach social skills to neurodiverse people. The team aims to add different kinds of laughs to Erica's portfolio and connect her capacity to process language with her ability to laugh accordingly. Number 2. Serena 4. Serena 4 has 43 degrees of freedom, including 7 DOFs for each arm, 6 DOFs for each hand, and 6 DOFs for each leg, with a height of 170 centimeters and a mass of 68 kilograms and morphological and mass properties similar to an average adult human. Serena 4 aims to realize a cost-effective and anthropomorphic human robot for real-world scenarios, demonstrating a locomotion framework based on a novel and inexpensive predictive foot sensor that enables walking with 7 centimeters foot position error because of a cumulative error of links and connections deflection that has been manufactured by the tools which are available in the universities. Moreover, the arm and hand of the robot have been designed to grasp the objects with different stiffness and geometries that enable the robot to do drilling, visual surveying of a moving object, and writing his name on the whiteboard. Number 1. RP Vita. iRobot and InTouch Health have developed a revolutionary telepresence robot, RP Vita, which extends the reach of physicians and nurses. RP Vita uses advanced telepresence and navigation technologies to provide face-to-face patient care in a safe and calming manner. Its human touch is enhanced through a remote control app, onboard interface, and industrial design. The head display, a face-like feature, is used to express emotions or human characteristics, while the chest display interface provides notifications detailing RP Vita's state and intent. The design puts the patient and caregiver at the forefront of healthcare communication, enriching healthcare communication and enhancing patient-caregiver interaction. The RP Vita is the only touchscreen interaction point for RP Vita. The display shows notifications detailing specific status and actions relative to location, purpose, and destination. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.